Good morning guys, I'm Victor Gatobu. Welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you everything that's wrong with my car. So I'll start with the outside. We have one fog light that is dead, so I need to fix that. The second thing is the wipers are making noise. Yeah, so I'll also need to fix that. I'll need new wipers. Also the side mirror, it's broken. And then I think also the brake pads are finished because they are making a squeaking noise. So I'll need to fix the brake pads. Also, if you go inside, you'll see that I'm currently on 654 kilometers in the odometer. And if I look at my last service, so the last service was done at 157,925, and the next service should be done at 161,925. So the service is due for this vehicle, so I'll need to take this car for a service by the end of the week.
We're reaching for the stars, we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So another thing wrong with the vehicle is if I step on the gas, it doesn't have a lot of power. Like it doesn't accelerate the way it's supposed to. And then also there's a loud noise that comes from the engine, which means the spark plugs are kind of finished. So I need to replace those also. When I step on the brakes squeak, which means the brake pads also need to be replaced. So during the weekend, I'll be taking this car for service. Be sure to watch out for that video. And also, I'll fix everything that's wrong with the car and I'll show it on the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. And I really appreciate it. Maybe you can subscribe if you liked it and leave a like. Thank you so much. Have a good day.